everybody. Welcome to Designing Docs. The second schema view combination that we see all the time is the master versus team versus individual. So this builds on top of what we chatted about in the last session, that master individual, where you've got that one big giant table and then that view for the individual person filtered by the user formula. But if we think about our project teams, a lot of times there's more complexity, right? We have some people who are working on smaller committees, we have sub-projects, maybe we have certain people who are accountable to other parts of the organization, but there are groups of people that are also working together. Now, those groups could create their own Coda Docs for tracking and managing, but it starts to get a little bit disparate, and maybe we still want to have one central location, even though CrossDoc is something we have access to. So what I could do is I could create another filter, and in this case, my filter is also going to have a control. So how this will work is I will create another view of this bigger table, just like so. And then I will also add a control that's a drop-down menu based on the teams. So this master table probably also has a column that's like the team that's working on it, you know, our document team or our localization team or whatever it might be. We're actually pulling from this particular column, and then we are applying that filter based on this control. So when we're in our team meeting, we can go ahead, click on that control. It'll automatically filter this down to whatever team is in that button. I could add other options here, like maybe I also want to have a control that is a date picker, right? So like, oh, I want to see everything that's happening on today or for a certain range. So it's allowing you to have that ability to not only see by team, but also by that time period if you want to connect the two together. So the controls allow you to decide what do you want to look at on a consistent basis and be able to build it in through filters and controls coming together. With that, I'll see you in the next session.